Hey there, Rebel. Today is all about the pets. So here are 10 print-on-demand products for the evergreen pet niche. Let's get started. Getting into the pet niche, I wanted to walk you through 10 Gelato print-on-demand products specifically for the pet niche. Number 1, custom embroidered pet sweatshirts. Something like this. I love the minimalist design going on. Very simple, but it is personalized not only with the images of the pets, but also their names. Products like this do really well, especially on Etsy, and embroidery on your designs kind of just levels up the quality of the design, the quality of the product, but also the amount that you're able to charge for these products. As embroidery is kind of a more higher tiered product, so you can charge that higher tiered price. Number 2, favorite breed t-shirt or a personalized pet parent t-shirt featuring that specific breed, like this. I think this could do so much better, especially if you add your pet's name to this shirt. Personalization sells, especially in these big evergreen niches. You want to hone in on a specific audience, and the best way to do that is through customizing your designs and allowing your customers to add their personalized elements to those designs. Number 3, a pet embroidery hoodie. I think this is very cute and it's very simple to where you could be designing something like this kind of already pre-made, where you are just taking your customers' personalization names and maybe dog types and sending them a mock-up of what their design is going to look like before you send it to production to be produced and shipped to them. The way you can make these kind of ahead of time is coming up with designs that fall under the same shape of these different breeds. There's only a few different variations on this design. The ears are in different placements, and then the halo is on top of some of the dogs' heads and not all of them. So it's kind of finding a way to maybe create some of these designs ahead of time, so when it comes to personalization, that process is a lot more streamlined. Number 4, custom pet portraits. If you are an artist, I think this is a great way for you to add your own flair and art style into creating truly one-of-a-kind heirloom pet portraits for your customers. A great way to do this would be to work one-on-one with your customers, maybe not necessarily through an Etsy site, as Etsy kind of prefers stuff that is produced and shipped quickly, where if you're creating an heirloom piece like this, you probably want to take your time, and if you are hand painting it, or if you are creating a digital art piece that looks like this, it's going to take some time. So consider offering these types of products on your own personal websites. Number 5, custom pet portraits. Now this would require a lot of personalization, and it would also require you to get quite a few pictures and elements from your customers. So again, maybe not something that would be great for Etsy, but something that you could be offering on your own personalized websites for your customers to send in at least 12 pictures that they would want to incorporate into these custom calendars. I think just adding the pictures themselves is kind of boring, so find a way to add extra elements or design themes throughout the calendars that truly makes them one of a kind. Number 6, and my absolute favorite with all of these print-on-demand products from Gelato, is this pet keepsake hardcover book. Yes, a book. Move over, babies. It's time for Pet's first year. Loving all the moments, all of the firsts documented in this hardcover book. Gelato offers soft and hardcover books, allowing you, the designer, to create custom designs for the covers as well as the inside pages. Now you can leave the inside pages totally blank, or if you wanted to create a truly customized one-of-kind photo book, you would in turn need your customers' photos, text, things that they would want to include within the book itself. Number 7, personalized hats. This is going back kind of to that silhouetted look with the dog ears and the name, but I think the embroidery adds a very nice touch, and having something small on a hat instead of a sweatshirt is a great way to pay homage to furry friends. Number 8, a personalized pet mug. Again, we don't want the babies and the kids on the mugs anymore. We want the dogs and the cats and our furry little pals. Something like this is going to sell really well if it is personalized. I feel like generic mugs don't really sell well unless they are personalized, and adding a artistic style to your personalization is really going to help your listings and your products stand out. Number 9, a personalized photo phone case. Something like this. Now, if you look closely, it's not necessarily just a photo of your customer's pet. It's actually almost digitally drawn. So receiving your customers' photos and adding that artistic flair to them, along with some background elements, again, do back and forth and see what's going to work best for those extra little personalized elements that you'll be adding to your design, and see what's going to connect best and be the best fit for your customers. And lastly, number 10, a personalized framed pet memorial poster. Gelato offers a variety of framed canvases, posters, and wall art, even hanging canvases. Honing in more on a sub-niche within the big umbrella that is pets, pet memorial pieces, especially like this, tend to do really well. Again, adding a little bit of personalized flair, artistic designs into pieces like this are going to help your designs stand out. The pet niche is an evergreen niche, meaning that no matter the time of year or design trends, pets are always going to be a searchable, trending topic.